Alright friends, in this session we will learn about so important topic, which is recursive functions. So, recursive functions call themselves and very useful for solving problems like factorial, Fibonacci sequences and more. So, in recursive function, it must always have a base case to stop the recursion, otherwise it will run forever. So let's do an example. We can calculate factorial using recursion. For example, 5 factorial. What's 5 factorial? 5 factorial. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And we will use recursive function for calculating factorial. So let's do it. I define a function using def keyword. And then what's my function name? Factorial. And inside the parentheses I give my parameters. I can give any name, so I just give x, and then I will make some calculation, and outside the function I need to call this function. What I need to calculate? 5 factorial. So I will print directly. I will say 5 factorial is equal to, and right now this function returns a value. And what's my function name? Factorial. And then I just give 5 as an argument. So right now x is 5. So I need to loop through for calculating this. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And I can do this way. Return, and then x times factorial x minus 1. So what does it mean? First, x value is 5. And then I call this function again. And here factorial 4. Factorial fact 4. So what's fact 4? X value is 4 right now. And this 5 times fact 4 is 4 times factorial 3. And what's fact 3? 3 times fact 2. So it continues like that. I need to stop it. Where I need to stop it? When it becomes 1. Because fact 2 times fact 1. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times fact 1. So I need to add a condition for stopping recursion. If this x value becomes 1, I can return 1. So it will return 5 factorial. Let's do it. I open an if condition. Here, if, and then if x equal to 1, I will return 1. If it doesn't, in else statement, I will return x times factorial x minus 1. So I added my base condition to stop it. So let's run it. I run it. You see 5 factorial is equal to 120. If I change it, for example, if I change, I give 4 instead of 5, and I change this argument to, I run it, you see 4 factorial is equal to 24. Super. I hope you understand the logic. We need to stop the recursion, so we all the time put condition for stopping this recursion. Here in our exercise, I put this for stopping recursion. Super. See you in the next lesson.